welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is saying that he doesn't, care for the people that are there, acting as if they want to be yes men and yes women. And also, he's saying that since him a fish, he wants to be the fish that whoever posted on his page saying that he's a fish. He wants to be that kind of fish that they eat so that they can eat him. Now, Dwayne, continue. He's going on and on about the situation that he's been actually going through, and he is saying that he's happy with who he is, and he's going to continue to talk, and he doesn't matter what nobody wants to say. So just go ahead and check out the video now, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, for anyone who has a business and want it to be advertised for free, just drop your comments down below. Thank you.
People couldn't know, so only is a set of hypocrite. Not for is a set of hypocrite. Only if you do better, only if you do better. Only if you do better. I said, not for where I said now, all year than down. I said, the people, social media will never forget. Them will, all when me come out and talk my talk, all when me come out and talk me talk, them will never forget who Uno is. I hope you know that. Uno could have tried till God come. Uno could have tried get reprival, redemption, whatever. Till the people them nah forget. Right now, them just a tolerate Uno. Them is just only tolerating Uno because only them send out boy and girls and little girls and big. Only them send out people. Uno stay there. Uno stay there. Me not look past someone. Me not look past none of one. I hope you know that when I chat till God come. On some page, me festive like a big fish. Yes, me festive like a big snapper fish, like a big whale, like a big shark, like a big barracuda, like a big sailfish. Me festive bad. Me not make nobody not stress me out. Me sorry, darling. Me's very sorry. Me pass them point in my life when me gonna make people sense to me, or me gonna feel any kind of way if you talk anything. On a mad, no blouse cup, on a mad, on a pass mad, on a really pass mad. Me pass them days there. Me I tell on the God and people, me I tell on the God Almighty truth. From a certain thing happen in my life, me say, Father God, me I beg you do. Make me wake up now and not make nobody do them. No, sir. You're mad? You're mad. Me good now. Anything about my head, me come talk. As long as me respectful, that is all that matters. And you know what? Me not call nobody name. Me not care. Me not festival, not little girl. What is the problem? What is your problem? How are you writing a cap locks for you? You're mad? You're mad. Why you shout off me for? Make you shout off of me. What a piece of stress. Why you shout off me for? Help me understand. Why you writing a cap locks for? Why you shout off me for? How? Me take your man? Me thief your daddy? Or me thief one of your son? Or which one? Which one? Me not understand. Help me if you understand. Or which one? Or which one? So when it is mad long time, the whole are we mad. The whole are we mad. The whole are we want to take people back. Like, listen, me's nobody send out wild girl. Not anymore anyway. Me tired of living them days there. Me done with them days there. Anytime they rough my favors too much, me say I'ma say again, long as I'm respectful, not only can spell respectful. Long as me respectful, me I come out and chat and who want vex, who want please, who want to take them me chat them, who want to take them me chat, I don't care. I really don't care. I don't business. I'm sorry, darling. Them days is done with. Only can turn them mad. Only can stay them mad. Move fast, Yolanda. Yolanda, move fast. Oh, you know, so they pick them on some big adult. Yolanda, stop your eyes. Stop your eyes. Yolanda, stop your eyes. Yolanda, stop your eyes. Stop your eyes. Stop your eyes, Yolanda. You really think I was talking to minor? Chill out. Yes, more the world knows me a fish. You want yam me? You want steam me? Fry me? Roast me? Which one you want? What kind of fish you like? What kind of fish you like? Add that fish to me want be. Add that fish to me want be. Any kind of fish you eat, add that one to me want be. So you can yam me. That means, darling, and that means, if you feel froggy, I say, go leap like you can't. I know, me nah black, me nah black, yo. Me nah black, yo, me not. Hey, stop give them knowings, stop giving them knowings. Them is, I tell you who they are. Them come from the people, them camp, where feel like to them bigger than big. I over there to them I defend. Wanna leave them alone. Leave the crosses them alone. I mean I got chat, me chat out, me done chat, me chat. Oh I'm Bex, me say me not cater, I don't business. Hey, me pop Tory tell me pop Tory tell you no. Me say people that have it there. Me have a group, you see, me have a group with I'm telling not much members in my group. When can't tell them, me say, when can't tell them, say, me got black them out of my group now. Me got black them out of my group. Cause them two out of order. And them two out of order. Me got show no me I talk about. Me got show no. What on there? My group have 51,300 members, you see? When me look, the people that say them don't join group. And all of these things. Right? All of these things. Well, I make a go over my group. Me show them. Me not tell them. Me show them something. Me show them something. For sure, me not care about the people. Me not respond about the people. And me show them something. Well on there. I is going to show on something say. Me show them say. Me done. When me say me done. I know me don't eat them. Me just want to do with them. I don't want to see them in my group neither. Them too out of order. Maybe they try to watch me so me I go on with. But me I go cement them now. Yes, it said where? Yes, it said they cement my page. Them cement my page and cement me. Like how they cement my page. I go cement them back out of my group too. I don't want them in there. Go out there. I don't care. When I get angry, I don't want. I don't respond. Not the panda now, no. I know what? Me nah go black them. I make them tan right with them there. Make them tan right with them there.